Hello guys, welcome back to Ariman Prophecy, and we continue our journey in Tarvendron where we left to grind. So I have here level 49 now, and I grinded up a bit. I went to the Tarvendron desert, fought some enemies, gained some money on me, and also bought some stuff. So Talia have a robe, here Tarverian robe, and it has a good defense, so it has actually increased her stats now. I can show you, it's if you see here, it has 98 defense. So we had a armor earlier, which was like, if I remember, 53 or 63, I don't remember exactly, but so it is way far. I mean, for defense for good. We are left with the turban for her, which will just give like 8 or 10 more defense for her. Also for Devin, I also bought the paladin armor, which is a great, again I told you, a great upgrade in terms of defense. So we have like 120 defense for him now, almost double, and it's a holy one, so specialty is good. And we had nothing for Frederick right now. And Jack, we bought 10 to knife, if you remember, in the last episode. So I'm a 49 now, class 49. I'm looking for a target of class 50, and then 50 on at least all our characters, and then we will go to fighting with other, the Colosseum, where is one important upgrade that is very important for one of our characters, so that I'll tell you once we are there. And nothing I found over here, nothing upgrade that I can find weapon area, so we don't need a great sword, which is again 200 weapons. It actually decreases your defense, although means I tried it, having it at one checkpoint. And if you have the great sword, you are able to fight with an attack of 600 something, 650 or 670 for, it's a double attack, and 650 or 670 for Devon, but it reduces your defense. So yeah, this armor, we are left with the turban for Talia, and very important one is the Dragon Scale Shield for both our characters, which is Frederick and Devin. I need to buy this, but it's still too expensive. So once we are uh, well equipped and able to fight the enemies outside, then we'll go there. So still grinding a bit more to at least be 50 on every character, and then we will go to the Coliseum to fight the enemies, not the enemies but the animals in the Coliseum, and so that that part is finished, and we have a upgrade for our one character, that is important. Now now you must have judged it when I said, okay, so Talia and Devin are 50, and also there's an upgrade for Devin on part of his special skill. So let's see. Yes, this is 70 mana points and 250 plus attack, a power slam to the chest. Okay, that's good. So we can use it randomly once. Let's try it. So now I'm making an attack of 500 plus for Devin, and almost 500 for Frederick. So it's good that now we can fight in the Colosseum, and once we have that weapon upgrade for Jack, now I can reveal it. So Jack will have a weapon upgrade, which is very good. Once we have that, then I think we will be able to fight the enemies around here in the desert. and we will look into the stronger enemy, which is bull and the salamander. I mean, I tried salamander for the salamander skin. I have a few right now, but it's hard to fight them because I still lose, and just like I have lost Jack now, and Jack is class 50 again. So I think I'm done. Let's get back to collision, and because our character is almost dead now. Till now, Jack is too weak, and I mean, just like before, I'll say you must be regretting your decision to take Jack. But again, you require him. He's a thief, and he can open up many chests and what's. So also, I mean, already said that it becomes important that you always look into his defense and his attack. So for now, the defense is less, and so the salamander skin. Why I'm taking salamander skin? Because if you remember last episode, I told you there's a lady south from here which sells you armor for the salamander skin, and that armor is fireproof, and that will be good upgrade for Jack. And we have a 50 level 4 Frederick as well. So now I think I'm good enough to go to the collection. So let's go inside and rest ourselves in and refresh our life, and then fight the collision. So I'm also making 500 plus attack from Frederick now. That's good. It's 527 from Devon, 532 sometimes it's random, and 501 or 502 from Frederick, and Frederick is down. I should better go because Devon is also about to die. Let's put Castle Leaf on both the characters. So if you see, I'll let you just let me regain some health, life from here. This orange thing, which is a salamander skin, I have 9 right now. All the viewers who are watching this thing, as a tip for you, remember I gave tip for you, don't buy more than 12 salamander skin. I'll let you know why. Let you know why when we are in the place to sell this. Just buy not less than 12 and not more than 12. Why a magic number? I'll let you know. But before that, first let's regain our health and fight in the collection. So we need to go down to the prison area where the girl well was there, and let her know that we're going to replace her in the fight, and so that we can take her place. And there's one secret also to fight these enemies. I'll let you know once I'm there, because last time I remember fighting it 2 to 3 times. I lost it. Last time is 40-15 years back. It's a long story. So we are here. Let's talk to the girl and let her know that we are going to replace her. And this guard comes in for well, but now she will say that we are taking her place, and yeah, we decided that is true, and he's happy with it because I just need someone to be slaughtered in the collection. And the mayor, so we are fighting for the honor of the girl accused for thievery. How very stupid or novel doubt. Okay, so the beasts are in. So you know one character which is the bull. I mean you haven't seen her yet, and this 2 lion character which is strong enough. So the secret here is, I mean it is very confusing right now, but I'm fighting here. First go for this black bear or bull or dog, I don't know what it is, like a buffalo. Go for him. He will just freeze in one location. Fight him and okay, okay. That's not good. Jack just died. I had to change the character a bit, but I forgot. So I'll revive Jack, and the loot which this bull will give you a plate armor. He will give you plate armor everywhere, but this is very important. It's the charm dagger that you need to. Okay, this message. Okay. Yeah, I'll revive this one and let you know what I mean. This is a charmed dagger, a magic one, which is just for Jack, and this is the biggest boost for him right now until now. You know why? This dagger has an attack of 322 on papers or on the numbers, and it's a magic one. But believe me, I mean, it's showing like attack of 578, but I'll let you know once he fight, he has an attack of almost 900. Yes, so now he becomes best fighter all among the party members. Just notice on the screen. Okay, they are no duplicates. Let me just get down with them, and I'll show you. Also very important, this dagger is a multi weapon. I mean, it takes multiple attacks, so again a plus point. And now we are done with all the weapons. Sorry, the beast. And the mayor is furious about it, that we killed his all enemy, not enemies, but his beast, his best beast. He bought it from somewhere. How hard it is to buy such beast. So coming back here, I mean, Jack has an attack of 578, which is very good, very good. But important is when you fight, it gives you multiple attack. So multi attack actually gives you around about 900 of his attack, and it's a magic one. So it's important to have this character in the game. Remember, now you are also getting an opportunity to bail him out, but again remember to have him. You just had a best weapon that you can buy for a character. You can't not buy but take from. So Val is here. Thanks for serving my screen. You almost died in there. Devil says, don't listen to these clowns. It's always a pleasure to help out a lady like you. You really want to stick around with these fools, Jack. Carpenter of the Thief, that is. Stay with Well. Okay, now we have an option of staying with Well and leaving the party and go with Well, or don't stay with Well, that we still be here. So I already said, I mean, you just got the best weapon for your character, and you just can't let it go. Also, the time I told you that this only happens when you have but Jack with you. So otherwise, this charm dagger is worthless if you don't have Jack with you. And Well is away. Still a slippery bitch. Don't mind novels. Okay, I'm mind novels. So don't let your character go. I'll save here, and it's important. I'm C class now, and it's good that we can now fight the enemies outside. And most important is we also had a good weapon for Jack now. It's multiple attack and it will give you like 900%. So Jack is right now one of the best characters. Apparently he is. Just before that he was the weakest one, but now he's the strongest one. I mean, his life and defense is still less, but that will be done when we have a armor for him. So next thing we're going to do is buy armor for him, which is going to be with Salamander skin. So we're going out from here, and I'll tell you how we get the Salamander skin and how we can buy an armor for him. And most probably I have this plate armor which I got from the bull. So remember the 10 to knife is also not required now. I think I can sell it. Poison stinger, again you can sell them. So let's gain some money outside and also buy this salamander armor. So the path from here is same. We have already been here, and now I'll take you to the new location from here, which is uh, where we will find specific two other enemies, which is bull and salamander. I mean the roadrunner and the desert stringer or the desert scorpion, which is already we have encountered earlier. So on another level of this desert, we have two other weapons, enemies, which is a bull and salamander. So bull will shed some plate armor and gold coins, while salamander will only give you salamander skin. So that is all we need from it. So remember when I said you have to get only 12 necessary for armor. Anything more or anything less is not required. So once we have the armor for I mean it's upon you to decide how much of the armor you need, because how many, not how much, how many armors you need, because I can see only two of the party members wearing it. One is Jack and another is Frederick, because we already have one armor, paladin armor for him, the main character, which is Devin, and also uh, so this one is Salamander. Find him and kill him, then you'll get one Salamander skin. That is all you're going to get from him. And this one is a bull which he fought in Kolesi. So he's a bit hard to fight, but now that we have that charm dagger, it's easy to fight them, because it is giving attack of more than 900 now, and it's a multi attack, multi enemy attack, so worth enough. So here is the fork. I mean, if you go north from here, this will lead you to the cave where you will find that old hermit lady, and if you go south, then that would lead you to another fire cave where we have dragons and probably your relic as fire. So let me see how much I have right now. I have 11 of them, so I'll need one more, and once I have 12, then I'll buy the armor from that lady. I mean, that lady will take the salamander skin and see you new armor from it. So we are 51 now. The reason why I not told you to come over here before, because this bull and the salamander are heavy to fight. And salamander is not at all hard to fight, but the bull no. So once you have the charm dagger with you and enough of defense on you, then it's good enough to fight them. So down from here, this waterfall. Remember, the waterfall is a key marker where you can find the person. The old lady, sorry, the old lady, and there is also a shortcut from here, but I'll just go down here once. Okay, I'm almost dying. 198 1. I think this chest is important because important is you need to open it. Otherwise, there's a shortcut to go around, and I'll let you know so I think we still need one more of the skin. We don't have it right now, and I haven't found any salamander. There's one upstairs, or say, I mean, on the next level. So let me see. Also, a good point to show how you need 12, the number of salamander skin. So this lady over here was sitting beside the waterfall, small waterfall. So I have 11 right now, and I can sell 11, but the next dialogue for the armor will only be enabled once you have 12. So this lady will buy a salamander skin for 50 gold pennies, and you get 550 for 11. So again, she will say the same thing. So you need to have 12, then only the dialogue change for her, for the weapon, the armor, sorry, not the weapon, but the armor. And I think Devin and Jack is also down, but they will do. So I'll show you the shortcut over here. Just a small stone path. You can go from here. This one is pretty visible, but if you don't know, then yes. So I'll search for a salamander. I think there is one here, and once I find him, I will have one more to add to my salamander skin repository, and that will make 12. So yes, here's one. The bull actually gives you enough gold coins. So it's like 520 or 512 gold coins, which is way better. And the scorpion just list from there. So now that I have Jack giving a like 900 plus attack, it is pretty much easy to go through it. So okay, now I give one more, that is 50, and now the dialogues will change. Would you like to buy a salamander skin armor for 12,000 pennies? I mean, either you sell all your salamander skin, or you just need to sell 12, and the 12 would be enough to give you a salamander armor. So I can do it for Frederick, I can do it for Jack, but looking at the stats, I mean, Jack is bit less on defense as compared to I mean, Jack is doing good. They're almost equal now, but let's go for Jack first, and then I'll go for Frederick. So here I have a salamander armor, which is defense of 140 and specialty is fire. So this is very important. Why I said Jack and Frederick would be wearing it, because Jack needs something to protect from fire, and that could be a fire amulet, or it could be this armor, because once we are in the fire cave, we would require something which is fireproof. And Frederick will also wear one of these, but we also have an option of dragon shield for Frederick and Devin, so which is also fireproof. So the reason why I said Devin won't require anything else, so I mean, not this armor at least. Okay, there was a glitch here. Somehow I just transported. Alright, so as I was saying, Frederick and Devin would have a dragon shield, dragon skill shield, which is fireproof, and one more thing, this chest over here, it won't open this one. It will require too many of tries for and I don't actually know what is there because I don't remember this chest. And I know that Jack is well trained on chest now, but still he can't open it, and it must be something very important. So I can try it with, if a weapon is something which is creating an issue, I think I can remove the weapon and try it once. No. So it's nothing to do with the weapon, but he's not able to. I'm not pretty sure what is there in this chest. If someone knows, then please comment down below. Because for now I don't know. And most important is it must be very much promising because it doesn't open in such good levels. So you're saying, yeah, Frederick would earn a armor. I came in here, which is one chest which we encounter in this just in the start of Tar Vendron. When we enter Tar Vendron, on the upper level of here, we have this chest which has a war hammer. Apparently, we don't have the character to use it, so we probably be selling it out, and we don't require it. Alright, guys, back here in Tar Vendron city, and let's do some purchase. So I went on grinding a bit more, and I also bought one armor for Frederick. Now Jack and Jack and Frederick both have this armor, and uh, I need to buy this. I have enough money now, so I need to buy dragon scale shield armor, and I buy one for one character, and a fury turban, which is not that important right now, but yes, of course, anything good on defense for Talia is good. So let's wear one of these first, and I'll show you how much improvement it makes on the character. So let's do this for Frederick. I think Frederick. Okay, let's try it in Frederick one. So this dragon shield, and it's a defense of 143, which is way far from iron shield which we had. So if you see iron shield, which is negligible in front of it, which is defense of 9, and it's defense of 143, so you can see the difference, and also it is fireproof. So now our defense are raised to 649, which is very good for Frederick. So I also add one for Devin, and Jack and Frederick already have the dragon armor, so salamander skin armor, which is fireproof. So this make them fireproof. Uh, Talia has her trinket, which is nymph crystal, so that is fireproof. And so Devin requires something to make him a fireproof, so which is dragon shield. I'll buy him once I'll sell some stuff. So it is not that hard because we get plate armor from the bulls, and we also have a diamond and ruby, so I think I'll sacrifice a few. And also let's buy a fury turban for Talia, and now I'm out of cash, so I'll grind up a bit before going to the fire cave. And let's see what this turban does, because the helmet had a defense of 13 and the turban has a defense of 28, so I mean 15 better, so her defense stats are also raised. I mean, we didn't had a good weapon for Talia. I mean, it's still the iron staff, which is pretty much old now. I think we should be having something for Talia now. It's way long that we had upgrade for her. I mean, her magic spells do a lot, but still, we need something for her jabbing. Something she can hit. So that's it. I think I'll grind up and buy a armor for, not armor but shield for Devin, and I think rest I already have everything. So next time we will look for the fire cave, and that would be our fourth relic over there. And till then I think I'm already done here, and nothing more to buy, but I'll buy some supplies from here, because fire cave won't be easy. So till then, keep tuning, and give your love and support, and by sharing, commenting and subscribing to the channel. So till then, keep peace. Bye bye.